Hey guys, we're out riding around on the scooter. Stopped by here at the car wash to get the little chariot, two-wheel chariot cleaned up a little bit. So let's see what they can do for us. Okay, here we are at the car wash, Alaminos City. We got to get our scooter cleaned up. Thing is filthy. Babe,
I'd better pay $350 rather than washing this scooter.
She would rather pay 350 pesos for him to wash it rather than her to wash it.
Because
sounds like a deal to me, right?
He always makes it filthy all the time.
I always make it filthy, yeah, it's all my fault. I get it. So anyways, before I forget, this place is called the BathCave Carwash. It's right here alongside the highway going out to Lucap Wharf from Alaminos City, which is back that way. So yeah, there's a pretty nice car wash here, from what I can tell. Hopefully they do a good job. We got a gas station right over here. And then there's another car wash further up the street that way. But we decided to come here. It's closer to home, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, time to check in with the supervisor. What's your impression so far? Okay, doing good? Did you get your seal of approval? Yes. Your quality assurance check? All right. So you don't have to wash it, right? Holy shit, look at that. It's like snowing. Merry Christmas! Ho 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 ho! Looking good. Okay, we're here at the car wash and I just happened to see this. That's pretty cool, huh? Some guy out walking his carabao. Okay, here's a fun fact. I just showed an image of their sign up there. And a car wash with wax, you know, pretty much the treatment, costs 350 pesos. So now at 50, let's just say 50 pesos to the dollar, even though it's better than that. It's like 58 right now. 58 pesos to the dollar. But let's just, for argument's sake, let's say 50 pesos to the dollar, right? 350 pesos for a car wash would be about $7 USD. A haircut over here in the Philippines costs 50 pesos. That would be $1. So $7 for a car wash. Look at it from this perspective. $7 for a car wash, but $1 for a haircut. Isn't that wild? See, in the United States, at least the last time I checked, a haircut costs a hell of a lot more than a car wash. Not over here. $1 for a haircut. $7 for a car wash. Okay, I stand corrected. It costs 70 pesos for the scooter to get washed. I guess it's 350 for vehicles, but 70 for the scooter. But hey, who's complaining, right? They did a fantabulous job on this thing and it looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and button this up, get on the road, and we'll talk to you again real soon. All right, thanks guys for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.